Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am back with another interesting video. That is, I am going to unbox a camera, that is a Canon EOS M200 mirrorless camera. And now we can just remove the seal. And at the top we have a bag for carrying the camera. Let me just look into it. First of all, we can just open the bag and see. And this is a quite nice pouch for this camera, and we can just open it. Here is a buckle. We just open it, and here is the place where we can place the camera, and here is another space. Also, here is also another manual about the bag. And in front also there is one space for placing any other accessories of the camera. And that's all about the bag. And now this is the package of camera, and it has got a good seal, and it is not broken. And coming to the top of the cover, it is the main brand name Canon is written over the top right corner, and it is, as I said, it is a EOS M200 mirrorless light camera, and it has also got an extended warranty of 2 years. And for that we should register it on http://edge.canon.co.in. And coming to the front side, we have the image of the wonderful camera over here, and the 2 lenses is shown here. And inside the case we have a 16 GB memory card. And this camera is powered by 24.1 megapixel sensor and is having a Digic processor. And we can get a high quality video of 4K. And the main interesting feature of this camera is the eye detection and autofocus feature. And it also can be connected easily with a mobile phone using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth system, so that we can easily get the images taken using this camera. Now let's just look in the side of the case, and here we have the actual MRP of the phone, that is 57,995, and I bought it from Flipkart, and the actual selling price was 49,999. Now we can just go into the contents of the box. It contains the main focus, that is the digital camera. It has got 2 lenses, that is 15-45 mm and 55-100 mm. It also has a strap, a battery charger and a battery pack. Now let me just take off the seal of the box. And we opened it, and at first we can see the user manual of Canon, and it describes almost all the functions of the camera in many languages. Let me keep it aside. Now we can take this cardboard off, and first we can see the warranty card. And we have got an extended 2-year warranty. Now we keep that aside. Here is another card of Canon Imaging Academy. Now here is the main contents of the box. Now going into the contents, first we can take a look at this. We can open the seal, and here comes the adapter for charging the battery, and here is the place where we keep the battery and we place it for charging. And here are two indicators that indicate the charging as well as the full when it is, and this will show a green light when it is fully charged. And on the side we have the point for connecting the charging cable. Now let's keep this aside. We can take another item out, and here is the charging cable. And next item in the box is a strap for the camera. And then we have the main component, that is the battery. Now we are going to take out the main component of this box, and we are already excited to see and now we are going to take the camera out of this cover, and here comes our interesting camera, that is the Canon M200 mirrorless camera, and it is weightless. It is really weightless, and it is handy. It fits to our palm, and it is also pocket friendly, and it's user friendly. We can just keep it aside. Another two components, main components, that is the lenses, are waiting out there in the box. Now let me just take it out, and here comes a small lens, and I'm just taking out. And here is the lens, that is 15 and 45 mm image stabilizer. And here it is written Canon. Now let me just take the other lens also. And here comes our second lens. It is 55-200 mm image stabilizer. Now we can just keep the cardboard carton away, and we can go into details of the camera. And here is the place we are going to place the lens, and the details of placing the lens and all I will be showing in the video later. And now we are going to the top of the camera. Here is the shutter button for taking the photos, and next we have a button. First in the top we have the on or off button, and by clicking it we can on the camera. And next is the we have a button for adjusting the mode of taking the photos. First one is the autofocus mode, second is the mode for clicking the photos, and third is the mode for taking the videos. And here in the side we are having the space for the flashlight, and we can just on the flashlight. And then this is an interesting feature of this camera, and for taking out the flashlight we just press the button on the side, and now we are going to press it, and here comes our flashlight. And now we can just close it by just slightly pressing over the top, and here it is. And on the side we have the slot for placing the SD card. Let me just open it, and here is the place for placing the SD card, and a 16 GB SD card is given along with this set. And now I am just going to open another place for the HDMI port and the USB port, and we can use it for charging the camera directly. Next, as I said before, this is the button for opening of the flash. I can just show it once more. Here comes the flash, and let me just put it back. And this is the point for placing the strap. And coming to the down portion, and here we have the space for placing the battery. Let me open it, and now we can insert the battery. Now we can insert the battery into the camera. You can just slightly place it, press it. This is tightly packed. Now we can just close it. Okay, and here is the point for the tripod. Coming to the back side, the main interesting feature of this camera is that we can take selfie out of this camera. That is actually a good function for those who are taking videos, those who are vlogging, etc. And we can just open that LCD screen up to about 180 degrees. And let me just close this, and you should be very careful, and this is very sensitive item. You should be very careful while handling this. On the back side, we also have got a button for the menu, a button for recording the video, and here is the control panel for navigating to various settings of the camera, and here is the button for going into the gallery. I am going to insert the 1545 lens. First of all, we should remove the lid from the camera, keep it aside, and we should also remove the top as well as bottom lid from the lenses. And now here we can see a white spot on the lens. Similarly, a white spot can be seen on the camera. We should orient this white spots parallel to each other and then twist it till we hear a sound, and our lens is fixed. Now I am going to show you how to take the lens off. Here we can see a button, and we should press it, and then we should twist it in the opposite direction and then remove it. Now we just insert the memory card over here, just close it. Now we are going to play on the camera. And now we are going to shoot it by pressing over the shutter button. And that's all about today's unboxing video. And please do like, subscribe and share my videos. And if you have any queries, please do put in the comment box below. And also press the bell icon to get further updated with my videos. And thank you.